Hey, this is Cooking with Jeannie. Let's make some Colombian Buñuelos. Here are the ingredients. I used 1 box of Goya Bunuelos, 1 package of Monterey Jack cheese, 1 package of queso cotija en polvo, 1 egg, and some milk. Next, I'm going to add 3 cups of cheese, and you can use up to 4 cups. You can also use the same kind of cheese for all 4 cups. Now that you added all your cheese, add your 1 egg. Add in small amounts of milk at a time. Next, you want to mix all your ingredients together until you have a soft consistency. Now let's start making the size and shape of our buñuelos. Be sure to add flour to the bottom of the area. You can make them round or you can make them long ways. Now let's fry them. Bring your oil between 290 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. If your oil is too hot, your buñuelos will start to bust open. You want to turn down your heat. Add in small amounts at a time, and once they turn a golden brown, they are done. Now it's time to enjoy some Colombian buñuelos with a nice cup of hot chocolate or some coffee. Thanks for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video.